Alright, let's get real about Samsung's brand new Music Studio 7. If you're wondering whether it's legit or another overpriced studio scam, here's the breakdown you actually need. First off, this is the real deal, straight from Samsung's Audio Lab, not some shady rebrand or sketchy app. The Music Studio 7, model LS70H, was unveiled at CES 2026, and it's clear Samsung's aiming straight for the Sonos crowd with this one. Let's talk hardware. You're getting a 3.1.1 channel setup, which means left, right, front, and top-firing speakers all in one unit. What does that mean for you? Real spatial audio, the kind that actually fills your room, not just marketing hype. It supports high-res audio up to 24-bit .96 kHz, and even has a super tweeter that pushes frequencies up to a wild 35 kHz. Now here's where it gets spicy. AI dynamic bass control. The speaker automatically adjusts bass in real time, so you get those deep lows without the muddy distortion that ruins music on cheaper gear. Ecosystem-wise, Samsung's gone all in. Q Symphony lets you sync up to 5 Samsung devices for a surround sound experience that actually feels unified. If you're already in the Samsung universe, this is huge. And the look? It's designed by Erwan Burulek and follows this timeless dot concept. Translation. It looks high-end and blends seamlessly with modern home decor. Controls are all handled through the SmartThings app, so you can group speakers, manage playback, and even use voice commands. But, heads up, there's no traditional Bluetooth here. Wi-Fi and NFC are on board, but if you absolutely need Bluetooth, you'll have to look at the smaller Studio 5. Finally, price. As of now, Samsung's keeping it secret, but expect flagship-level pricing. This is not a budget pick. Bottom line. The Music Studio 7 is legit, premium, and packed with future-proof features. But if you're not already in the Samsung ecosystem, or if Bluetooth is a must-have, you might want to hold off.